Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the video moderated error on Grok AI. So if your video won't generate or keeps showing this error, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, if you're using Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, then choose Manage Apps or All Apps depending on your device. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type Grok to quickly find the Grok AI app. Once you see it, tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the app settings, tap Force Stop and Confirm to completely close the app. This will completely close the app and stop it from running in the background. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then Confirm. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the moderation error or preventing the video from processing. If you're on iPhone, since iOS doesn't have a clear cache option, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears old data and often fixes small bugs that stop video processing from working properly. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network is one of the most common causes of upload and processing errors. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. After that, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Grok, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates usually fix bugs, moderation glitches, and performance issues. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix many temporary system glitches. After you followed all the steps, reopen the Grok app and check if the error calling video moderated problem is fixed. And finally, if none of these steps work, the issue might be on Grok's server side from XI. When many users generate videos at the same time, moderation systems can temporarily block uploads. If that happens, just wait a few minutes or hours and try again later. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you should be able to fix the Grok AI video moderated error and generate your video successfully. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.